Thanks for stopping by my channel today. It's your girl Slay LT, and as you can see, I am in my glam room. I am looking a little bit hot messy only because I just got through working out, getting my workout on, and I am sweating like crazy. But I wanted to come on here to do this small haul right quick because once I open these boxes and put it up, these shoes and everything, these are mostly shoes. It's just a small haul that I did. So I wanted to get right into it, but let me just give you guys a little backstory on this. So, and again, excuse my look, my hair was sweating so bad I had to put it up. But anyway, so I ordered these shoes. I was like, okay, I know I wanted something nice to wear with the skirt outfit that I bought, and I'm not even sure if the skirt is in here. I don't think it is though, because it's 2 packages. I think this is the first package from the small haul that I'm about to show you guys from New York & Company. I'm actually going to split these into 3 parts. So the first haul is just going to be just 1 pair of shoes that I got, but I have to tell you guys the horror behind these shoes that I purchased. So basically, I bought these shoes from Tory Burch. They're basically sandals. As you know, Tory Burch is very, very, very expensive. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'm going to keep my eye on this package only because I knew that it was going to be delivered through FedEx. FedEx is literally the worst delivery service ever, okay? Alexa, off. And so I was like, okay, well, let me just go ahead and track it to make sure that it gets to me on time or whatever, and make sure that FedEx isn't about some BS, because usually what they'll do is they'll actually say that, and as you can see, those are my clothes, but I'm going to show you guys my little clothes rack and shoes and stuff one of these days. I have so much shoes, but I am a shoe guru. But anyway, that's a different topic for another day, but let me finish this story. So basically, FedEx has this thing where they will say that they actually deliver a package, and they actually don't. And I'm gonna turn this down because it is driving me nuts. Hold on one second. They'll say that they deliver a package and they don't. So basically, what I have to end up doing with FedEx is I have to basically watch them or my delivery online like a hawk to make sure that it is delivered on time. Okay, so I checked the package all day yesterday. All day I'm running to the door trying to make sure that the package did not come through. The package did not come through. Checked FedEx, I believe it was a little bit after 8 last night. I checked the tracking online. Tracking online stated that the package was still supposed to be delivered May 19th. Okay, cool. Because I know the dynamic and history of FedEx, I was like, okay, well, let me give them the benefit of the doubt, because I already know what's going to happen is they're going to say that the package was delivered, but it's not actually going to come until the next day. But I did learn something. FedEx has this thing called Smart Post. So if your delivery company says that if they choose Smart Post, which I think is one of the most lowest standards of delivery services, what's going to happen is they're going to deliver it. In other words, the truck that came to deliver it wasn't an actual FedEx truck. It was like a white truck with no name on it, which was very, very crazy. But I was like, okay, rewind. So when I looked at, something just told me, I was jogging earlier. I just came back from working out, and something told me, I was like, okay, they should have delivered it by now, because now it's after 3 o'clock. So I was like, okay, well, let me go and excuse me, just check online and see what it says. Lo and behold, it showed that they delivered the package on yesterday, but it was something different on it than what I normally see from the delivery. It said that it was delivered yesterday, but it was left at my front door with no signature needed. I was like, hold up. Usually it would just say delivered, whatever. But when they specifically said they left it at my front door, no signature needed, I was like, oh, heck no, I have to reach out to FedEx. And I don't know why, but I'm usually the most positive, Holly person. But when I got on the phone with FedEx, I was livid, because it was like, I didn't understand what he was trying to say, but eventually we got to the point where we were having a what I would say a cordial conversation, because it was like, it went from, oh my God, you guys are the worst service, you suck, you know, every product that I get, or anything that I purchase that comes through FedEx is like the worst. Like it's almost like a nightmare, especially when you're what's the word I'm looking for? My mind is just all over the place. When you're expecting something and you're expecting it to come for a certain reason or a specific time, which reminds me, I forgot to order these wigs that I was supposed to order, but I'm going to do that after I get off this. And it did not happen. So the fact that they said they delivered it and it was at my front door, I was like, oh no, we're going to have to not lie about that. And yeah, so I got on the phone with him and he was like, well, you're going to have to reach out to Tory Burch to have them file a claim so that they could try to track it down and see where the product is, or where whoever had it or whatever. So I was like, okay, cool. But then as I was thinking, I was like, you know what? I'm about to put him on hold and I'm going to call these people. That's exactly what I did. I was like, sir, please don't hang up. I need you on the phone while I talk to them. So call Tory Burch. We're on the phone 15 minutes in, and same thing I kept telling him the whole time. I was like, okay, you guys always say it's delivered on a day. You wait for it all day long. We'll check the tracking at night. You wait for it all day. I'm sorry, I don't know if I timed out. Track it all day, all night. You wait for it, and then lo and behold, the next day just mysteriously appear or whatever. So, long story short, and I know it's probably long at this point, but while I was on the phone with Tory Burch, they placed me on hold, and while I was waiting for her to come back, it appeared on my doorstep. Next thing I know, I hear a knock on the door. So it was cool. I did get the product. So let me go ahead and just show you guys what it is. So I was like, I did open the box. I haven't seen it yet. But this is the shoes. 7/21, my birthday. This is the shoes that I got from Tory Burch, and it came in this box. I haven't actually looked at anything. You guys are actually seeing it for the first time. I'm seeing it. And it comes with this Tory Burch card, which is cool. And I love when products actually come with interesting stuff like this. And it's basically just showing, it's a card. I believe that this would be if it was gift wrapped. It just shows like your, I was trying to make sure this doesn't have my address on it, but it's just the return and exchange process. And of course, it has the Tory Burch emblem. I'm not going to show you guys that because it has my address on it. But basically just shows the Tory Burch emblem. And this card, it's just a basic card from Tory Burch. And that's pretty cute. It looks expensive. And it's another card in there with the gold emblem. That's cute. It says, thank you. We hope you found exactly what we're looking for and that you love it, Tory Burch. That's neat. It's just a little place card. It's very cute. I will keep that. And put it in the box. I'm going to have to hide these before Hubster gets back. But, oh, excuse me. And it came in a Tory Burch box. I'm going to show you guys my station. My nail station. That's what all that is back there. My nail products and stuff. But it came in a nice, cool, cute Tory Burch box. And as you can see, it is a pair of sandals. Now, these sandals, I did pay a pretty penny for. I will tell you the price that I paid for. It was $200, but they were really, really cute, and I love the color. Like, my favorite color is pink and blue. These are actually blue. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna get it. You know, you only live once, and I think I deserve it. Okay, and it has the dust bag, which is super, super cute. I think I'm actually gonna use this because it has like the little Tory Burch emblem on it. So, you know, if I travel, whatever, I use it. I can actually use this for like, I don't know, something. But it's a cute little dust bag. This right here. And of course the wrapping is Terry Birch. Super duper cute. Ooh, this is actually exceeding my expectation because, well, these are cute. Okay. And as you can see, it has the Terry Birch emblem on it. It smells like real leather. Yeah, it is real leather. It has the Terry Birch emblem on the back. One size 8.5. It has a Terry Birch emblem here on the sole. These feel like they might be comfortable too, so I love them. They're cute. And this is probably, I'm gonna get Terry Birch handbag, but it's probably gonna be a few months before I get that. Probably, I actually ordered I had some dupes coming, y'all, so definitely look out for that. I ordered a Prada dupe that's gonna be cute with this. That should be coming. You know how that is with when you order products from overseas, it takes a minute to come. But you know what the funny thing is? Online, this looks more like a bluish. So I thought it was a blue. It's actually more like a green mint, like a mint type color. So I mean, it's cool though because I have a lot of things that, you know, will probably go good with this color. So it works. But I'm show you guys that in the next video. So that's gonna be all for this Terry Birch. And I'm gonna come back and show you guys. I'm not having the same outfit. I just want to split these up so I can label them different. So let me go ahead and cut off here. But these are super cute. I really like them. I almost gave the guy a hard time for them, but you know what, it is what it is. You know, it's my money, so I can get upset if I want to about it. So but it all worked out in the long run. It did come. So thank you, FedEx guy, for looking out for me and dealing with my drama and my emotions about my shoes, because you guys know I love my shoes. Anyway, so if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. If you like this video, go ahead and thumbs up, like this video, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your friends. It's free to share. Sharing is caring. It's your girl LT, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.